on, tie the hairs on the top like this and then put this hair accessory. Now to fix it, we will make the plaits on the hairs. So take the hairs from the sides in the lining way like this and join them in the middle one by one by putting the plaits like this. Fix it carefully as shown in the video. Join the hairs and make the plaits till the end till the accessories as shown in the video. Fix it by making the plaits one by one. Fix it carefully and watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing it, and it's ready. Next, you have to put this hair accessory on the sides of the hairs and take very small section of the hairs and then take the lining ways of the hairs from the sides and the back, join it in the middle to make the plaits. Take the hairs from the sides as well, take it in the middle and join it till the end. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs in the same manner. Watch these steps very carefully how we are doing it. Do not break your hairs and perform these steps very carefully. Fix it using the rubber band and it's ready. Next, put this beautiful hair band on the top. To fix its ribbon, we will tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now to fix its ribbon, we will tie the hairs by making the plaits. So fix the ribbon in the between and make the plaits by taking the hairs. Join it on the sides by taking all the hairs together now and make the plaits on it. Follow the same step for the other side and it's ready. Next, make the plaits on the sides of the hairs, fold it upward and fix it, put the net over it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the top and the back like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it. Join the plaited hairs on the back and then make a butterfly like shape, join it on the sides. Fix it by making the plaits, fold it upward and fix it using the rubber band and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side and the top like this and then rotate it using the hair styling tools as shown in the video. After rotating the hairs, we will fold the hairs down, divide it into two parts and make a heart-like shape and fix it. Join the hairs together, tie all the hairs together and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the back and the top and tie them. Divide them into three parts. Now divide the hairs onto two parts on the top and make the plaits. Take the hairs from the front in the small sections to make the plaits and join them. Take the hairs from the back as well and tie them together like this by joining it as shown in the video. Make the plaits till the back and make all the hairs together. Fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, you have to make the ponytail on the sides. Now fold the hairs from the back like this. Now make the plaits on the sides of the hairs and then we will roll it upward to make a bun. Fold it tightly as we are folding in this video. Fix it and it's ready. Next, you have to fix the hairs on the sides like this. Tie the plaits and then make the plaits on the hairs as shown in the video. Fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it by folding the hairs and put the clutch over it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail on the sides, divide the hairs into two parts. Now make the plaits on it and then fold it upward like this after joining them. Make a butterfly like shape and fold it. Now fix it on the sides by making the ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts and then roll them together. After rolling it till the end tightly, we will fold it upward and make a bun on the sides. Fix it using the hair clutch and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.